Hi everyone, my name is Troy Kranendonk and welcome to my course, Build Your First Data Visualization with Pygal. In this quick course, we are going to be creating a complex interactive data visualization for further analysis. Some of the major topics that we will cover include installing and setting up dependencies, creating our first chart, stylizing our first chart, and rendering out our chart. By the end of this course, you will be able to quickly build an interactive data visualization with minimal code and effort. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with data literacy and basic Python. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn data visualization and chart building with Build Your First Data Visualization with Pygal course at Pluralsight.